Today we're showing you a 2014 Kubota M110GX tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Comes with a Kubota LA 1954 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just over 800 hours on it. It's a very, very clean tractor. Engine does not require the DEF fluid. It will regen, but does not require the DEF fluid. And again, just over 800 hours, so it has very low hours on it. Overall, the tractor's in really nice shape. Paint's nice on it. It does have a few scuffs and scratches, but very few. You've got a little bit of a scuff right there in front of the hood. The loader does have some paint fade to it, which is pretty normal on this series of tractor. For whatever reason, the loaders seem to fade a little quicker than the tractor. The paint on the hood is nice and bright, but the loader does show some sun fading. Bucket's in nice shape. Again, it is the LA 1954 loader. Corner post exhaust. It's got the panoramic doors. Tires are good on it. Looks like it's got the Titan Radial tires on it. Get the rear wiper on the rear window there. Triple rear remotes. 540 M1000 PTO capabilities. Telescopic arms and the 3-points. Got the stabilizer boards. Got the buttons here on the left end to raise and lower your 3-point arm, which is a really nice feature. Cast centers on the wheels. Just a nice clean tractor. Again, just over 800 hours on it. I'll show you the inside of the tractor here. It's got the air ride seat for the operator. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 24-speed Powershift transmission. You have 3 ranges in the tractor, which are shifted on the black lever there, and then an 8-speed Powershift within each range there. Powershift can be shifted with the plus-minus buttons there in the shift lever, or right here in the armrest. So wherever your hand is, you can easily shift the tractor. And again, the Powershift is shifted without clutching. You have the hand throttle, engine speed management system there in the armrest, as well as your 3-point controls as well. Over to the right, you get your hydraulic, PTO, and different settings for your engine and 3-point hydraulics, that type of thing. Over there to the right, back behind you there, you have your climate controls, individual brakes, clutch pedal, and foot throttle down below. Park brake here on the left. 109 horsepower. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We stock approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.